Hey guys, welcome back to Randy Reviews. So today I'm going to be doing a pack with me video. I'm going on a 4-day, 3-night trip to a colder weather place than where I live. So number one, I got to pull out my cold weather items because it's still hot here in Dallas. And I'm trying to pack light. So my goal is to pack, well, actually it's 5 days, 4 nights. Let me see. 5 days, 4 nights. So my goal is to pack one travel outfit to wear there and back, 2 pants and 4 tops, and maybe 1 dress to keep it simple. 2 pairs of shoes, 1 purse. I don't know about that one. Might bring a small head bag as well, but I'm trying to stick to 1 purse, 1 accessory, whether it's a belt or a scarf or a hat, and 1 jacket. So let's see if I can do it. I've already started pulling stuff out, obviously, before I started recording, and then I was like, this will be a nice little video. I love watching these when I'm, perusing on YouTube, so I thought it would be fun to do myself. So let's get started. So for let me start with my accessory because it's sitting right here. I'm going to bring this hat. My mom bought me, it says from Ashley Stewart. It's just a little black fedora hat. And because of my little short cut I got going on, I thought it would be cute to wear it like this. And because it's black, it can pretty much go with any outfit. And then if I want to, put it down, I could put it down like that. But I really like it like this. It just give me a little, little vibe. So I'm going to bring that for sure. But how you pack this? How you pack this? I don't know. Okay. I'm bringing these boots. These are some faux leather combat boots from, I know I got them from DSW. Let me see what brand they are. Mix number 6. I got them in a size 9. Are they faux leather or real leather? Oh, it says leather / man-made also. So it might be a little leather in there. Anyway, I don't care. I'm wearing them. They go well with a lot of different outfits. I can wear them with skirts, dresses, jeans, leggings, whatever. And they fit. They're pretty comfortable. I could do a lot of walking in them. So yeah, I figured these would be the perfect boots to wear. It's supposed to be on average around 55 in the daytime, 45 at nighttime. So I feel like I don't need, like no winter boots, like snow boots or Uggs or nothing like that. Just some comfortable boots that I could put a nice thick pair of socks on with so my feet won't be cold. And those are for my 2 pairs of pants. I'm doing these faux leather green trouser pants that I got from Target. It's the Wild Fable brand. I got them in a size 17 because they didn't have my size, and then I just got them tailored to fit. So yeah, they have a kind of a wide leg, and they have belt loops and real pockets on the front and the back. And I love these pants. I didn't get to wear them as much last winter because they was too big and I kept forgetting to take them to the tailor. So now that they are fitted to my body, I'm rocking them. So I got these pants. It's my first pair. And then I have these straight leg ponte or legging type pants. They're black and velvet, and they have a little line down the front, a seam down the front of each side, and then they have this kind of thick waistband They're very satin and silky in the inside. They are by Andrew Mark in a size extra large. I think my mama bought me these probably from Costco or something like that. Obviously they're very stretchy and they're straight leg, slim legs, so they can go right into the boot. And then with my wide leg pants, my wide leg can go over the boot, and it looks good both ways. And then I figured, you know, these two colors are going to be easy to style. And so those are the two pants, and here's the 4 tops I'm bringing. The first one is this turtleneck. Oh, wrong side. Is this turtleneck. It's from Fashion to Figure, I believe. Yep, it's a size 0. It's a little bit too big on me. I'm not really, I think a 0 is a 12 in Fashion to Figure, and I'm not a true 12 or a true plus size at the top, but it looks good with the slim fit pants because it's kind of oversized, so you know you're getting a little bit of both worlds. It has this string detail down the middle. I have it pulled tight because I didn't want to show my bra. the time I had wore, the last time I wore it, I was going somewhere where I didn't want to show my bra, but you can adjust the string to be as loose or as tight as you want it. So if you want some skin to show, you know, you can pull it apart like that and show a little skin. But yeah, it's very soft, very comfortable, rib, long sleeve turtleneck shirt. Then I also have this cropped, this is also from Fashion and Figure in a size 0. I have this cropped sweater. It's just black, long sleeve rib knit. It feels the exact same as that other one, but it's a little bit thicker. And then it has this detail on the side, this cutout detail on the side. So even though I'm bringing like basic pieces, they all have a little pizzazz to them. You know what I'm saying? But I know when it's cold and you out in the about, you ain't really worried too much about that. I did want to bring a few cute pieces just in case I decide to go out to a nice dinner or, you know, a show or something like that where I want to be a little bit more dressy. So that's why I try to bring some casual yet cute stylish pieces. So yeah, that's my second shirt, and as you can see, it can go with either pants. I'm probably gonna wear it with the black pants, but it could go with the green pants as well, the green leather pants. My fourth shirt is just a plain black turtleneck. I'm pretty sure it's from Walmart. Yeah, it's the Time and True Walmart brand in the size large, 12-14. And I stock up on these and the rib ones. Let me show you the rib. This one is also this is actually by No Boundaries, but it's from Walmart as well, and it's more like a mock neck versus a actual turtleneck. I got these in multiple colors, and I have this one in multiple colors because they're just good basics to have. They're super inexpensive and they last pretty well. I've had them for 3 or 4 winters now at this point, and I layer them with other stuff. I wear them by themselves and they just go well. So I'm bringing this black one to go with my green leather pants, and I'm probably gonna do like my Valentino belt and, you know, some nice gold jewelry to really pizzazz it up with my hat. And then I'm bringing this shirt, which is like my dressy, you know, shirt or whatever. This is from Fashion to Figure. I'm wearing all my Fashion to Figure pieces. It's also in a size 0, and it's 97% cotton. It has what's this called, like this corset style where it kind of is pointy at the bottom, and then it has these cute balloon sleeves, and it's just really cute and feminine, and it goes well with so many different, oh my god, yo, look at this. Where did this just come from? I literally just tried this dress on, this shirt on before I started this video, and there was nothing on it. I'm gonna have to get that out. I don't even know what it is. It looks like lipstick or something. Okay, anyway, it's real, it can go with a million different bottoms. I've worn it with jeans. I'm gonna wear it with these leather pants if I can get that stain out. If not, I'm gonna try to, I have a few different like white dressy tops that I could wear This is the one I wanted to wear, but there's that. So those are my 4 tops, 2 bottoms, and then this is going to be my travel outfit for there and back. It's the 2-piece set from Meshki. If you go to my Meshki review, you'll see I reviewed this set. It's these gray ribbed pants with the matching tank top, regular length, not cropped. Just very simple, easy, comfortable, you know, a perfect travel outfit. You could really wear it, you know, when you're going down for breakfast and stuff like that, or you could just wear it as a regular outfit throughout the trip. But I love bringing stuff like this because I tend to grab this throughout the trip while I'm, you know, like I said, going to breakfast, whatever, when I just want to throw something on, or I got to run to a CVS or something. I just like having a nice little 2-piece set that I can do those types of things with, and you can mix and match this with the other pieces as well. And then of course I got some nice PJs to bring. I got this set from Sam's Club, and it feel like heaven. It literally feel like heaven, y'all. And I paid $15 or something like that. It feels so good. I got this, and I got it in size large. If you a Sam's Club Members Mark person, go get you one. I'm going back and get another set because these is just too good. And I love 2-piece sets to wear, to bring and to wear when I'm traveling. Like I said, just because it just make you feel more together. I'm a nightgown person, but nightgowns just look sloppy. There's no way around it. It don't matter who, what, when, where, how, because it's a nightgown. It's supposed to be oversized. It's supposed to be, you know what I'm saying, comfortable. So you just look a hot mess. So I can't go down for breakfast or to grab something, you know, my DoorDash or whatever in my nightgown. So I got 2 options. I got a third downstairs. It's my LV pochette, and it's just a small little shoulder bag with a gold strap. I could take that, and that's literally, I could stuff that in my bag. And then I have this as an option, my Brandon Blackwood with the fur. The only thing about this is it's a handbag. It's not, you can't use it as a shoulder bag, and it don't have a crossbody strap, so I would have to hold it. And because I'm, you know, gonna be out and about, this might be cumbersome. Then I was thinking about this Brandon Blackwood, because it's a little bit more dressy, so I could wear it, you know, day and night. But the only thing I don't like is that it has this opening. It doesn't have a closure. And when you out sightseeing and walking around, and I'm being by myself, I don't want to be a target, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know about this one. It does have a crossbody strap, so that will make it a lot easier, and it will be closer to my body, obviously, like this, so I wouldn't have to really worry too much. Like, somebody would have to be trying hard to get in this bag. But this Brandon Blackwood is a, you know, full closure. It has a crossbody strap, so I don't have to worry about carrying it. It's a nice size. This is an option. The only thing about this purse, y'all, I think this purse got bad voodoo. The last time I wore this purse out of town, I lost it at the airport 2 times. When I say I've never lost my purse in my life, and then I lost this same purse twice. The first time I left it on the plane, and they called me, and I had to go back up there at 2 o'clock in the morning to get it. The second time, I left it sitting outside while we were waiting for the shuttle. I got on the shuttle without it, and luckily, by the time we got to the parking structure and drove back up there, it was still sitting there. Nobody had touched it. So I don't know. This purse got a little bad voodoo on it. Yeah, I might stick to my LV because I don't know about this. This is an at-home purse. After that experience, I'm like, you got a little bad voodoo on you, honey. So yeah, that's what I got. I'm not gonna go through jewelry and all that stuff because that's a process. I gotta figure out this, that, this, and that, and the third. This video already long enough. So yeah, that's what I'm taking. That's how I'm packing lightly. I did say I wanted to bring a dress. I didn't pick out one, So I might just throw one in the bag, just in case. But I might not, you know. I got 5 outfits that's all interchangeable. I'm gonna be out and about. This ain't one of them type of vacations where I'm gonna just be like, you know, where the clothes is like the center of attention. Like when I go on beach trips and stuff, it'd be like, oh, I want to wear this cute, you know, summer dress. This, like, it'd be really, the clothes be part of the vacay. This ain't that type of trip. So I think I'm good with what I got. And I'm going to just boost it up with the jewelry and the pizzazz like I always do. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you at the next one. Peace.